Shoulder tension by the end of the day is so common, and we don't want to stop doing our activities. Instead, today's evening yoga flow is all about to send you off into a more peaceful, relaxed rest of your day. No props are needed. Just take a seat and gently close your eyes. All the distractions outside of you closed off, opening up your internal eyes, your inner eyes, and looking at your inner world. Breathing deep and free through the nose. Feel how easy it is to breathe. Place one hand on your heart and the other on top of it, and breathe love to yourself here. This is your safe space, your safe place. On your mat, and then release your hands back down to your thighs. And you can keep your eyes closed or open your eyes. You're going to inhale for nothing. Exhale, draw your chin down in towards your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale, take your head over to the right. And the shoulder doesn't have to do anything, it's staying right where it's at. Inhale up, and then exhale over to the left. Inhale up. Going slowly, you're not giving yourself whiplash. Inhale, look up, take your head back, throat open. You can still talk when you do this. Inhale back to center. Let's come to all fours. You've done cat and cow many times. This one will focus more on the shoulder girdle, even though the pelvis is still doing its job, tilting the top rim of the pelvis forward. But this time, focus on the shoulder blades, the bottom tips coming together, the top of the shoulders broadening, chest lifting, gazing upward. Feel the extension up through the crown of the head. And now pull the belly in, and this time you'll feel the shoulders widening apart from each other. Inhale, center, child's pose, big toes together, knees wide. Sit down on your heels. Use the strength of your arms to get your hips more grounded in towards the heels, and then keep that action as you walk your hands forward. We'll do one hand at a time. So take your left hand, make a fist. You could take the hand flat if you want, but wherever you're at, this is going to go underneath your forehead. Right hand is going to climb forward, and then you're going to come onto fingertips and claw the floor. Inhale, exhale, lower the head down. Keep reaching those hips down and back to get a deeper stretch in the shoulder. Let's switch sides. Right hand makes the fist, left hand walks out. Feel the stretch across your left side. Breathe into whatever you're feeling. Take your left hand back, and let's lie down on our bellies. Hands are going to start underneath forehead. So we'll do the same thing prone. Lift your right arm overhead, come onto fingertips. Claw the floor. Arm bone lifts, shoulder blade on the back, and reach the hips away from the fingers. Reach the fingers away from the hips and see what happens. Feel the opening in the shoulder. If this is too intense, try taking your arm off to the right more and see how that feels. Switch sides. Walk that left arm forward, come onto fingertips. And both hands extend. Hands back underneath forehead. Roll onto your backs, knees bent, feet flat. Now bend your arms at the elbows, out to the side, working the forearms to the ground. Take your feet as wide as your mat. Inhale. Exhale. Take your knees to the right. If you want a little more intensity, take your right foot to your left thigh. And then inhale back to center. Exhale over to the left. Luxuriate in these lovely sensations. Taking this time to notice which of the poses were your favorites that you want to keep doing on your own. Inhale back to center, draw the knees into your chest, give yourself a nice big hug. Straighten your legs on the ground. Reminding yourself to click that like button if you like this video, if it benefited you. And right now, let's go back to our shoulders and do a little scan of how they feel now compared to just a few minutes ago. Making the commitment to continue to take care of your shoulders. Remember to let me know in the comments which pose was your favorite. And if you haven't subscribed already, remember to subscribe. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.